Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing well. Myself Pooja Chakraborty and you watching me on UPSC with Pooja. So today we will discuss the complete 2-year strategy and weekly targets for UPSC CSE 2022. This is the part 2 video. In the part 1 we have already discussed phase 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in the part 2 video we will talk about phase 5, 6, 7 and 8. So before starting, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any of my new updates. And if you feel that this video is beneficial to you, please like, comment and share this video to your friends so that everyone can get benefit from this video. And if you have not joined my Telegram channel till yet, then please join my Telegram channel, that is UPSC with Pooja. I will put the link in my description below. So let's get started. This is the part 2 video. In this video we will talk about phase 5, 6, 7 and 8. Phase 5 and 6 will be discussed here, and the phase 7 and 8 already discussed in my previous video. That means the prelims and mains exclusive preparation of phase 7 and 8. So to watch this video of phase 7 and 8, please refer this video for the phase 7. That means the exclusive prelims preparation before 90 days of your prelims, and also refer the phase 8 video. That means the 16 weeks before mains. So this is the exclusive mains preparation and this is the exclusive prelims preparation. So this video I have already uploaded in my channel. Please check it out for the phase 7 and 8. So the weekly targets of phase 5, that means the September to December 2021. In these 3 months you have to revise your optional second time and make notes from the optional books along with current affairs. Don't stop current affairs reading. Here you have to also read the current affairs along with your optional subjects. So as per optional is depend on person to person. So here I am not giving you the weekly targets for your optional subjects. Rather I will give you the daily routine how to make your optional subject revision. So the Monday to Saturday morning 8 AM to 10 AM newspaper and note making from newspaper. From the 2 hours of your morning you have to read the newspaper properly and you have to make the notes from the newspaper. For the newspaper note making you can refer my this video strategy for current affairs. Here I have already discussed the how to make notes from The Hindu and how to revise it and how to retain all the current affairs till your exam. So you can refer this video. Then 10 AM to 12 PM optional reading. In these 2 hours you have to revise your optional subject. Then 12 PM to 2 PM optional note making on that topic or chapter. So first you have to read those one chapter in the 10 AM to 12 PM in these 2 hours. Then in the next 2 hours you have to make the notes from this topic which you have already read in the morning. Then in the evening 5 PM to 7 PM current affairs revision plus note making. So in the morning 2 hours you have read The Hindu or the any newspaper and the note making from the current affairs, and in the evening 2 hours you have to make notes from the monthly compilation or the daily current affairs by any recognized institute, and you have to make notes for yourself. Then 7 PM to 9 PM in these 2 hours you have to revise the optional notes of second chapter. And the 9 PM to 11 PM you have to make notes on that topic which you are revising or which you have reading in the evening. So in the morning session you have to complete one topic and in the evening session you have to complete second topic. So next we will talk the phase 6 of UPSC CSE 2022. That means January and February of 2022. Weekly targets optional GS of mains revision plus mock test on GS papers, essay and optional. In these 2 months you have to revise all the things along with your mains mock test series. So in these 2 months you have to write a lot of mains answer writing for the optional, for the GS paper and also for the essay writing. So now we will talk about the weekly targets. That means for the week 1 subject revision of GS paper 1 world history, art and culture, modern history and post-independence India. Notes of all these should be ready before this month along with current affairs and give mock test on this subject on every Sunday. So in this week 1, you have to complete all the history section, that means world history, art and culture, modern history and post-independence India. You have to complete the history section of main syllabus, and you have to complete all the note making of these subjects, so that you can revise all the things in 1 week. If you don't have make your own notes, you cannot revise all the things in 1 week. If you want to revise all the things in 1 week, you have to make your own notes, and you have to complete it along with current affairs, and you have to give the mock test on this subject on every Sunday. Then week 2, GS paper 1, social issue and geography notes, revision plus current affairs and mock test on this subject. Then week 3, GS paper 2, polity and international relation, revision plus current affairs and mock test on this subject. Then week 4, GS paper 2, polity and governance plus current affairs and mock test on this subject. Then week 5, GS paper 3, economy and internal security plus current affairs and mock test on this subject. Then week 6, GS paper 3, environment and disaster management and science and technology plus current affairs and mock test. Then week 7, GS paper 4, ethics, integrity and aptitude static part, that means the handwritten note of yours from the ethics, integrity and aptitude, the lexicon book. Then the optional revision, then current affairs and mock test and essay mock test. So you here in this week you have to give the GS paper 4 mock test plus optional mock test plus essay mock test. Then week 8, GS paper 4, case studies writing. In this week you have to write a lot of case studies plus optional revision plus current affairs, and you have to give mock test on GS, essay and optional. So this is the week 1 to week 8, that means the 2 months revision plan of January and February. Then the phase 7, February to May 2022, this is for the exclusive prelims preparation. In these 3 months you have to revise all the things in point of view of prelims. So here I have already made this video on this topic. You can refer this video. That means the part 3 video of 2021 strategy, a part 3 video, that means the phase 6 of 2021, phase 6 of 2021 and the phase 7 of 2022 is for the same. And then the phase 8 of phase 8, that means June to September 2022, that means the exclusive mains preparation. For that you can refer this video, complete 1 year strategy for UPSC CSE 2021 phase 6. In this phase, exclusive mains preparation, I have already covered this syllabus, how to prepare for exclusive mains. You can refer this video also. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out any of my new updates. So thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.